watching the DeGroot X YouTube channel, so buckle up, let's go for a ride. Good morning. I'm back. It's been a while. I've been saving money for some things on the truck. I don't think I showed you the super sick hood though. Hanneman hood, sent to me by my buddy Blueberry, if you know who he is, Joey Parent. Super sick. I haven't got it all finished up yet. It still needs, I don't know if I'm going to actually get it to be able to fit correctly, just the way that it all sits and stuff like that, but I got it on here. This is a sweet new addition. It's through in the back. It's open up there. But yeah, it's actually the same company that makes these fenders. This is basically the only company that makes like Xterra stuff, I think. Maybe there might be more in the future, now or later when you watch this, depending. But yeah, that's a pretty cool little sweet thing. A little update over here. Fenders have been cut out because we had a problem with it. It actually smushed this up, and this needs to be fixed inside. Not really fixed, but this was here. That's got to go. There's still more. I gotta. It's rubbing right here, so I have to trim off some of this corner right here. Surprising that it's rubbing right there. It doesn't seem like it would, but it does. At like articulation kind of. So I did that on this side. You can kind of see how it looks. See it from the front. Not bad, right? So I trimmed all that up, made it fresh. It was a little bit of trouble. See this side, because this door hinge comes to right here, and that's like the tire comes to like right here. So this still needs to come get up here, but it's super tight where the tire actually comes up to. We thought we had enough stuff, and we didn't. Anyhow, so long chat of some updates and stuff like that. But today, I'm driving this thing down the street to a new homie's house who's going to do some work on the substructures underneath where the A-arms mount and stuff like that. Do some support pieces. But yeah, we're going to head over there and see what we can do. All right, guys, we're here. Kevin's personal home shop, doing some CAD design. Basically, I'll go to this side since he's working. What we're doing is we're gonna plate up some of this in here. These lower arms mount in here. This is gonna come off. We're gonna plate some of that up. Basically, strengthen this section up here for both of those arms, because we want to beat the piss out of this and not bend stuff. So it's part of the job today. Let's get it done. Solid CAD design. All right, guys, kind of last little bit. It's all finished up. As you can see, this side's been we have this all welded in. This has been kind of re-welded. We re-welded all this. This had like a weld from here to here. So we ground that down, did a little grind on it, and then re-welded here. It's kind of the same thing in the background here. You see we put a little stitch weld, well, a little weld right there. This thing's all plated up, etc. So yeah, basically just some more strengthening stuff. It's kind of what I've been doing. Little things. Transmissions transmission has got here, and we have clutch and flywheel all coming in because I'm going with the manual trans, because the automatic transmission doesn't shift correctly. It doesn't fail safe and stuff. So that's going to be the next thing on the list that we're going to be doing. And yeah, so that's all I got for you today. Just a little bit more. Did a little grinding. I'm going to try and make this all smooth and stuff, and then paint it so it looks all nice. As you can see, just some little tinkering in the garage stuff. I'm cleaning that up. And this is how it looked before. Just little dumb stuff, you know. I get bored in the garage. So this is all just like stitched together here. This is just a little piece of sheet to tie that in. And this right here is kind of the same thing that we have to do back in here. I'm gonna put a piece along here and then down into here, because when this opens up, when the doors open up, because it's got a lot of movement in here. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I can zoom out. But I can move that back and forth like an inch, and you see the whole backside's moving around. But that's yeah, you can see that when I close the door. Watch. See, it's not exactly stiff there, and I need to make it more stiffer. So I gotta cut some little pieces of cardboard out and get that laid in, and yeah, that's about all we got going right now. New studs for the rear. That's those are here. I haven't put them in yet, so that'll be the next thing along with that transmission that we're doing. So other than that, that's about all we got going today. But I thought I'd give you a little updates, tell you that you know, the race truck's still getting worked on, and yeah, stay tuned for the next thing, which is transmission, which lots of stuff there. See ya. Hey guys, final update. A little something that I got knocked out here, because this thing's going into manual. And I'll drop some pictures maybe, but I welded this piece of plate on here with some solid booger welds, because flux core and my welding skills are still in the training process. But this is where the brake booster, or the brake pedal assembly, bolts in up here. So I wanted to have a little bit more structure right here. It was some pretty flimsy sheet metal right there. And then also this brake, or this clutch pedal, will be right here. So this is gonna get moved. We're gonna probably cut this and move it down and over, and then we'll have clutch, brake, gas, obviously. And then I had to make a little mount right here that mounts to the cage with some more booger welds, because normally it would bolt up there, but I had to cut that. And let's see if you can see this. Back up in here is where it mounts up. I don't know if I'm getting a good shot on that, but so that's where it mounts up there. And yeah, so now I have a clutch pedal. So I'm pretty stoked about that. Just tripping over everything. Also pulled my skids and disconnected the trans, because I wanted to make sure it wouldn't go into like limp mode or anything like that. I didn't think it would, but just double checking it, making sure that everything's working still. Started right up, fires have full throttle and everything. So yeah, I'm pretty pumped that we're making progress. So next thing I got to do is bring it over to the shop and put it up on a lift, and we're gonna get this thing manual. We'll see how that goes. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for checking all the latest stuff, following along, just you know, keeping you guys updated with all the things that I'm doing in here. Hopefully my welds will be better and prettier for you next time. I'm working on getting a better welder. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.